All right, we should be live here. I am going to show you guys how to use, and gals, how to use Power Editor for the Agency Alliance. There's been a lot of changes recently, so I thought I would do a little update. It should probably be about 10, 12 minutes long. We'll go ahead and get started here. I'm going to get my Power Editor up here. That should be it. Power Editor, share. There we go. Okay, so here's our Power Editor. We've got these three rectangles over here. I'm going to go up here to this one, and I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm going to go up here. So we're in the top rectangle. I'm going to go up here, create campaign. I'm going to do registered nurses. The farmers insurance, we have affinity discounts for them, so I can use the word exclusive in my ad copy. I wouldn't suggest you use that unless it is exclusive. So we have auction, and we're going to use page post engagement right here. So we just change that. And I'm going to use the same name for these three categories here. Choose an ad set, and then when I pull up my ads manager, it will just show registered nurses too. And that's how I will know what ad that is. All right, then we're going to go hit create. That is step one. So this is our editing window here. If we hit this pencil, it's going to move it back over to the right. So if it doesn't pop up like that, you might need to go over here and hit the pencil, and it comes back out. How about that? Magic. All right, so now we're going to go down to step number 2, rectangle number 2. In here, we're going to put in your daily budget. You can edit that. You can edit all this information once your ad is built. However, you cannot edit what is in your ad, the picture or the ad copy. So make sure you get it right, or you'll be doing it again. So right here, we're going to start this today. Don't schedule an end date, run as ongoing. I want that one clicked. And then we're going to go down here, we're going to define our audience. So we're going to hit edit audience. And for nurses, I like to start at age 25 just to get the younger people out, probably living with mom and dad still. And I'm going to take this one right to age 64 because I think nurses are going to be usually a little tech savvy. And now this is one of the new changes, detailed targeting. They put everything right here instead of spreading it out for you. So this is what we're going to see here. I'm going to click in this box here where it says add demographics, interests, or behaviors. And then I'm going to do demographics, so I'm going to expand this. And these are the different demographics you can choose from. And then work is the bottom one here. I'm going to expand that one. And if I was running this to a hospital or a place of business, I would use employers here and put in the name of the employer. In this case, it's registered nurses, so I'm going to use job titles. And this is going to be the same if you put an employer there. I'm just going to be searching for something different. So I'm simply going to put in here registered nurse. Oops, if I can spell it right. You can see all these pop up down here. So I'm going to choose this one. And what's nice is these will stay down here now, so I don't have to keep typing over and over again. So I got that one. If we go over here and click out here, and we scroll up, oh, I forgot to do this up here. So there's 410,000 people right now in my audience. So it's going to the whole United States. So I want to go here, and I'm going to type in Indianapolis. And then it will default to 25 miles. If I click on this, and then I'll slide this radio button over to 50. And it didn't quite go over all the way. There we go, 50 miles. And then I'm going to do Bloomington, Indiana. And again, I'm going to take this over to 50, so a 50-mile radius. So now we've got 4,400 people already, which is a really good audience size. A lot of my hospitals, because they're not as big here in Indiana, are 700-800 up to maybe 2,100. Even if you're still a little below 1,000, you still have a good group there. So I'm going to go with this right here. I am going to put in, let's see. So I got to click back here on job titles, then click down here again on job title, and then it takes me back here to putting in job title. So I'm going to go registered nurse again, and I've got these top two. So I will click supervisor and midwife. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to put in RN. So some of these here, so it's a BS, a registered nurse, Bachelor of Science Nursing. So I'm going to choose that. And if we look over here, the audience size is 4,500. I'm probably not going to pick too many more up than that. So I'm going to go with that right there. That's the only demographic I'm going to use for registered nurses. You can see I have 4,500 people that this can reach. If I just get any of this after the ad is made, but you will not be able to edit your ad copy or your picture once it's there. So I'm going to hit save, and that is the end of step 2 of 3. Now we're going to move down here to rectangle number 3, and we're going to finish this. So we want Facebook page we're going to run it from. Click that box there. It comes, I mean, that's the default, so we're going to leave that clicked. Hide pages connected to business account. So I'm going to choose a page here. I'm going to choose my Indiana Insurance Advisors. This is where it can get confusing when you come back to do this again. It says use existing posts. Well, I don't want to use a post on that page. I want to create a new ad right here. So this is where I'm going to put my ad copy. Do my attention line. Attention, Indiana. Registered nurses. And then I'm going to leave a space between my attention line and my ad copy. So turn my caps lock off now. I'm going to put now available in Indiana. Capital I. Now available in Indiana for registered nurses. Now available in Indiana for registered nurses. Exclusive discounts on your auto, home. Wait, I'm going to do auto, renters, home, and life insurance. You take advantage of these exclusive. I can use exclusive because I do have affinity discounts through farmers with registered nurses. To take advantage of these exclusive discounts, click here, couple arrows. Now I'm going to go to Bitly. I'm going to grab that link, which is already there for me. RN insurance form right here. Copy that. I'll go back to Power Editor, and I'm going to paste that right there. My ad copy. Now I'm going to put my image in. So it should already be here, and I'm going to use this image right here, or you can go up here, upload an image, and that would upload from your computer. Confirm. And there's the image, and then my ad shows up over here, so I'm going to proofread it. Indiana Registered Nurses. Now available in Indiana for registered nurse. So yeah, I want to put for registered nurses. Exclusive discounts on your auto, renters, home, and life insurance. Take advantage of these exclusive discounts. Click here, and there's my Bitly form. I'm not going to do any tracking pixels or anything. So to upload this, I'm now done building my ad. It's 3 simple steps. I'm going to go right over here and hit review changes. And this will pop up, the registered nurses, and I will hit continue. It is applying the changes, and this can take a minute or two. And there's step 2 of 3. And there we go. You can click done. And it disappears from Power Editor. So now we will go back over here to Ads Manager. I need to refresh it. So I'm going to reload. And here we are right here, Registered Nurses 2, pending review. And I've already got one of these going, so I just did this one to record it for you guys. So I'm just going to shut this one off, and it will get approved here later on, and I'll probably just delete it. But that's all there is to it. Let's go back here, stop screen sharing, and that's all there is to it. Hopefully that helps. If you got any questions, well, let me know. Thank you.